of the things. So everyone wants to make extra income, right?
Yeah.
That's why we are here sitting, especially on Friday evening. So first of all, I would like to share my experience how I am getting into the business to make extra income like that. So first of all, our artistry products, it's we have two kind of health and wealth industries. One is the world's among the top prestigious skincare products. Second to none artistry, and other than Nutriway is the $5 billion business. Nutriway, vitamin supplementary. The artistry is the $1 billion beauty industry. So other than that, actually you can get 30% of profit margins out of these $100 worth of artistry products. So directly you are going to get profit out of these artistry each and every products. So first of all, you guys wants to, if you are willing to learn and willing to educate yourself, please be open-minded for your way. That's why you can have the information. And why I am chosen this opportunity, skin analysis, which is ATM machine, which we call money making machine, skin analyzer magnifier. So why I have chosen this opportunity, through this machine I am making extra income around 1,000 plus. So you guys can make depends on the persons, you can make more or less. So initially I started to use just making $100 through the business. Then I slowly increase my goals and dreams. If your dreams very smaller, all goals also going to smaller. So you want to develop, make bigger your dreams basically. Then you make your goals also very bigger. Only I want to make 200. Such kind of very small amounts I got into these things. Then I come to know the potential of this skincare. People are really looking lot of skincare problems in Australia especially. So I came to know the potential of this artistic skincare because of the Miss America. She is the crown ambassador of the product. They are the endorsing these products. Here also Australian actress Teresa Palmer. She is so youngest actress. She also endorsing these products. So you will come to know the quality and the value of the products. So this is among the top 5 prestigious skincare products, as everyone knows these products. So how I am making extra income, so I am going to explain now. I am going to just sharing with you. Okay. So if I done for at least 10 cents per month, other than facials, I am making 1,000. Consultation fees is $30. We directly charging. Per session we are making $70 to $100 profit per person. So straight away you are getting more than $110 worth of money amount from your person. So you think about 10 people, if you are 10 clients, if you had means you think about the profit share out of the 10 persons. Other than facial you can make. So I started with the small amounts of the money, because this way is the smarter way. I thought rather delivering such kind of paper, people are doing those kind of things. They are not thinking the smart kind of things, how to make the money. So they are spending long time and doing really hard work, very stress work with the company and supervisor, and as Kandan mentioned, lot of tension every day, everyone facing. So even though if you are working ladies, my suggestion is you can make it happen out of the what you are doing currently. On top of it, you can make it the profit for extra income. The beauty is non-taxable income. So with kids and families, everyone can do it. That's why I have chosen this opportunity. This SAM is is actually money making tool. And other than how I can explain to you how we can Looking that we do have the fantastic tools. Everyone talk here, CDs about books. The art of dealing with the people. That book is very essential for our business. So you can learn how to connect with the people, how to associate with the people. It's very easy to lead to the business. To getting more clients basically. And other than the CDs are there, how to create the volumes and increasing volumes and selling profit. Jopiam. That CD is really amazing, fantastic. Rather, I'm explaining, you go through that when Susan is creating value, that CD is really, and a lot of ladies panel CDs, every now and then we are getting through the SOCD book, every month we are getting through the SOCDs. So that's also fantastic tools to helping to develop your business. Other than, yes, and and one more thing, who are all new here, new prospect, new IPOs, before doing anything, implementing, check with our, you should check with your uplines, because this is my personal experience. So everyone have the personal different, various way to successful, to get the successful things. So you just, check with your upline before doing anything. And other than how I am, making 1,000, so 10 SAMs, if I book 10 SAMs, so every month just for, for minimum things, average and least. So consultation is $30 means you just think about 10%. Straight away you are getting $300. Okay, straight away you are not doing anything action. Just consultation and analysis means just you are talking and doing some information gathering about them. So other than you are getting through this, if 10 people place the order, at least average at least 350 PV, you are straight away getting 300 PV. So 350 PV. Yes. So your PV monthly PV 100 already done. Okay, done. No problem, no taking care. Your business is already started. Has been started. So you are qualified for second week night level automatically. No need to think about to make 100 PV for second week qualification. Which means you are going to have the special training by particular persons. So who those very successful doing this business. It's really amazing and fantastic training. You are going to get that one. And other than you are going to get profit margin as well. So I'm making roughly monthly out of this turnover mostly 1,400. So out of this 400 you are making 700 to $700 profit. This 1,000 is different. With 300 is consultation only. This is the profit margins. 30% of profit margins out of this 1,400. So you are getting $700 to $800 every month. So you think about your exist clients. They already you made the group. So they are getting they are placing orders also different. That's also including extra income. Other than you are going to make the facial. These days Nick and Diana, they are so expert on this. So you go through that CD. You ask your upline who is coaching you, that who are all new, you ask your upline for Nick and Diana CD. Artistry clients. Artistry client CD. And consultation, clients and consultant. Yes, consultant. Nick and Diana. Nick and Diana CD. It's really amazing. After we gone through these CDs, every ladies are here started to doing so much of wow, really the SAM. They are making so much of profit out of this business, out of this SAM and the facial things. Other than every now and then we have the ladies conference and Going Diamond Smita. Last couple of months ago she gave the phone conference. Lot of nuggets out of her talking. Everyone gathering so much of information, so to make extra profit out of this business. So and yes, some of them maybe new to this business, but they are not doing nothing, they didn't know anything, then they will criticize the business. But you should stay in the business, should be stay in the track, which means stay, plug into the systems, stay in the process, then only you can